National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County in north central Texas, Wise County in north central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 9 miles north of Decatur to 3 miles south of Decatur to Cottondale, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cottondale around 5:50 p.m., Boyd around 6:10 p.m., Aurora around 6:20 p.m., Justin around 6:35 p.m., Carmen Sango around 6:40 p.m., Corral City, Argyle, Roanoke, and Bartonville around 6:45 p.m. This will impact the following interstates. Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 476. Interstate 35 west between mile markers 73 and 80. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 458 and 466. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.